Think about this. Since KGAN became the first TV station in eastern Iowa 55 years ago, television has gone from 3 networks to more than 300. Since KGAN went on the air, we've gone from rotary phones to touch-tone phones to cell phones to email to text messages to Twittering. 2 years ago, Twitter didn't even exist. Right now, someone, somewhere, is inventing the next big thing. By this time next year, millions of people will use that thing as part of everyday life. So, in a world swirling in constant change, what can you rely on? At KGAN CBS 2, we've returned to our roots and rebuilt our news operation on 2 timeless principles: investigate but be fair, and always look out for the folks in our community. That's you and your family. It is these principles that lead us to expose waste and mismanagement of taxpayer dollars by local, state, and federal government.
CBS 2 tested FEMA homes in Iowa. Our investigation found dangerous levels of formaldehyde.
To use groundbreaking technologies and take you wherever news is happening.
Tracking its movement to the north.
To find stories never told before of ordinary people overcoming extraordinary events. The result is elected officials finally responding to your wishes.
Public outcry has the Board of Supervisors backing down from their plans of a pay raise.
And an old guard media reluctantly crediting our efforts. Would you depend on news stations that just repeat the talking points of elected officials? Or would you depend on the one news station that asks the tough questions, isn't afraid of a controversy, and risks offending the powerful to find the truth? Last fall, CBS 2 boldly announced how we would return KGAN to being your news leader in eastern Iowa. Now, we're doing it every day. Watch and see why KGAN CBS 2 is built for breaking news.